Hey, this is Paul with Team Fat Boys. The other day, Curtis, Sean, and myself were out of Baldwin, and Sean had bought one of these bait casters. He'd never used it before, and a couple of times he got a nasty little bird's nest in here, and he got getting ready to pull that line, and I told him, no, give it to me, I'll show you a trick. It's a trick that my grandpa showed me, how to get these out easy where you don't have to sit there and pull. Anytime you get an overrun, do not sit here and pull all that out. It'll just make things worse, and you might end up having to cut the line. But today I'm going to show you a way to fix that problem. What I need to do is try to get an overrun. And you see we've got an overrun here. That one come out too easy. Let me try to get a nasty one. Anyway, I finally got it to backlash. We'll pull out what twine we can. You notice there's a knot there. It's not going to let it come out. So I'm going to keep reeling it back just a little bit. I'll pull on it until we get hung up again. If it gets hung up again, we'll do the same thing. Let's just say that it did and it wouldn't come out anymore. We'd put our thumb there, reel it back just a little bit, flip the button, and start pulling out line again. I have never seen a knot or a bird's nest that won't come out. Now this is a 50-pound test, and it's not going to tangle as much as the small one, small weight, but there. Keep pulling out line until the whole bird's nest is gone. And we got it out. And all it's left to do is reel it back in. Put your fingers up there so you can kind of get it tight again. You're going to pull all this line back into the reel, untangled. Don't ever be embarrassed about backlashing when it happens to everybody. Anybody that laughs at you for backlashing a bait caster has been there, has done that. And don't let them tell you they've never backlashed one or overrun one, because that's a crock. So anyway, I'm getting all this tightened back up. Then I'm ready for my next cast. So remember, when it's backlashed, put your thumb on the reel, wind it back just a little bit, undo your lever, and pull until it quits. Then re-engage the lever, keep your thumb on the reel, spin it back just a little bit more, and you flip it back on. You pull more line out. It's really simple. If you have any questions, you can always send me a message on www.teamfatboys.com.